Hey everybody, Josh for Populi here, and if you want a diploma, just print one off. To be clear, when I say that, I'm not talking to students. I'm not saying that students don't have to do the classwork and have an actual degree granted. I'm talking to administrators who want diplomas that they can hand out to worthy degree-seeking students who have completed the necessary requirements to earn a degree. And if they want a diploma, they can just print one out. Users with either the academic admin or registrar role can print a diploma. Diploma printing happens on a profile on the student tab on the data slicer, which are both the domain of those roles. To have a diploma to print, you first have to have at least one print layout for a diploma. When it comes to print layouts in Populi, our support team handles those for you. There are two ways for a Populi user, such as yourself, to think about this. One, Populi is authoritarian and prevents its users from associating freely with the software, threatening gulag. Two, Populi is a luxury service and would never allow you to lower yourself to the point of managing your own layouts. Whichever view you take, here's the process. You can submit a support request about getting a diploma layout set up. You'll provide us with an example of the end result you're looking for. It's best if you have a produced diploma that we can work from rather than something like a written description. Our support team will then strain every nerve to replicate your example. You'll be able to have a look and work with support to make further adjustments. Once everything looks good, you'll have a beautiful new diploma layout you can use to print diplomas. If down the road you want to make changes or need to create a new diploma, simply repeat this process. You can produce diplomas one at a time or for multiple students all at once. To print one diploma for one student on a student's profile, on their student tab, you'll see this option up at the top, Export Diploma. If you don't see that, you'll want to have a look down here on the degree sill. A student has to have a degree granted here. If you don't have at least one degree with a granted status, you won't see that Export Diploma option up at the top. Once we click on Export Diploma, we get a dialog. On the drop-down for granted degree, we can select which degree we want to export. And then for layout, if you have more than one, you'll be able to select the correct one. That'll result in a file that you can download to your device and then print. Let's look at how you export those diplomas for multiple students at the same time. Under Academics, Reporting, Data Slicer, you'll create a report using whatever conditions make sense. The key thing here is to include a condition for degree status and have that set to granted. It's likely that you'll use the other options on the degree status condition, like you'll probably choose a specific program that houses the degrees that you're pulling, and you might constrain this to a specific date, for instance, to pull your spring graduates. Once you export, every degree for all the students in this report will result in a diploma. If someone has multiple degrees, like this student at the bottom, you'll export diplomas for all of their degrees. If you somehow end up with students on the list who do not have a degree listed here, they won't be included in the export. When you have the students pulled for whom you want to print diplomas, click the Actions button, then find and click Export Diplomas. That'll let you know that you'll receive an email with a link to the file that contains those diplomas. Once that email comes through, you'll follow that link and diggy-doo, there are your diplomas, ready to download to your device and print. Wow. Do you want to dig deeper and get more value out of Populi for your school? Join our Discord server. It's where Populi users can ask each other questions and capitalize on community knowledge. If you want to become a part of that community, go to Help in Populi and choose Join the User Community. That'll take you to a spot that has instructions about how you can get set up. I've been Josh for Populi. You've been great. Thanks for watching.